Hi! In front of me is Honor 70 and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in Magic Fluids. Finally, you can get this free app from Mad Scientist developer, and when it's ready, select Open. Now click on this little icon at the bottom left corner in order to mute the music, and then tap on this one with 3 lines at the bottom right one. Over here, you need to click on Settings and tap on I accept in First Things First pop-up. Finally, adjust all of those settings however you wish to. Check out Preview above. And when you're finished, click on the top right corner. Then select bottom one again, but this time choose Set as Live Wallpaper instead. Click on Apply and go back. As you can see, after that, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!